The bank has posted a surprise profit in the June quarter. Asset quality worsened marginally, but provisions are at 5-quarter lows. So that's the detail when it comes to PNB. Shefali Malik, of course, had a chat with the Executive Director Rajesh Kumar and, of course, spoke about a whole host of issues, including earnings and lots more. Let's cut into that.
We had 2-3 important developments. One is that we were able to do a trading profit of over 500 crores, which has helped us because of the yields, government bonds yields going down. Our treasury was able to make a good profit, which was not there earlier. The amount was very limited. And then on top of it, we were able to contain the slippages as well as the recoveries has been good. So these 2-3 factors have contributed to this.
So while the recoveries may have been good this time around, but one of the biggest issues from a shareholder perspective at this point in time is the trust factor with the unraveling of the fraud cases. First, the Nirav Modi case, which happened much earlier, and now the Bhushan Park case, which you reported a few days back. So how do you address that concern to the investors?
Ma'am, let me clarify. As far as the Bhushan, of course, Nirav Modi was a one-off incident that happened last year. As far as Bhushan Power case is concerned, it was an NPA. It was in the first list of RBI. It was an NPA, and more than 50% provision is already there. And the CBI had registered an FIR, and based on that, subsequent to that, the forensic audit took place. And based on that, we have declared the fraud. And there is no, as such, there is no impact as far as the bank is concerned, because already the provision, more than 50% is already provisioned is there.
Okay, so sir, going forward, do you expect the pace of recoveries to continue? And in the quarter as well, your slippages were in excess of 3,000 crore rupees. So could you tell us where is this fresh stress coming in from which sectors? And going forward, what would be the rate of slippages that we can factor in?
Ma'am, to be very honest, there is no specific sector. There are smaller accounts, not such a big account which we can pinpoint. Some accounts are there in different sectors for different reasons they have slipped. But I think efforts are on with the special vertical we have created, that credit monitoring. We are ensuring that the slippages are kept to the minimum. And as far as the recoveries are concerned, you know very well that 2 accounts which I think we have been hoping for a few quarters now. So we hope that with the new amendments the government has come up. So with the coming quarter or maximum in the next quarter, the third quarter, these resolutions will come, and definitely it will add to our bottom line in a big way.
Sir, how has the traction been as far as your CASA accretion is concerned? Because if I look at the data just from March 17, since then it came down to 43.51 in Q4 March 19. So there has been a dip. So what is the trend in Q1 that you had? And going forward, what would be the efforts in this direction?
Ma'am, I think as far as the CASA share is concerned, we have been, I think one of the strongest franchise as far as public sector banks are concerned. And we will continue that effort. And this time also the growth in CASA has been 8.7%. And if you compare with March 17, I think you will remember that before March 17, we had demonetization and a lot of cash came into the savings accounts. So if you see that way, so subsequently that money was utilized by the customers. So it's not fair to compare with March 17. I think March 18 will be a much better barometer to judge this.
So going forward, what are your thoughts on the consolidation process? Because we keep hearing reports of merger of PNB with few other banks. So is there anything like that on cards anytime soon?
Ma'am, to be very frank, I think more than 75% shareholding belongs to the Government of India. And if whatever we have heard till now is basically from the media reports only, and some proposal will come from the government, then the call will be taken by the management. As of now, there is nothing on the table as far as we are concerned.